All right, folks, big game coming up today. It is going to be India versus New Zealand. Ajay, will India be actually sizing up New Zealand today? And will New Zealand be saying, okay, these conditions, how do we beat India when it actually comes down to the real game?
And a lot of people might think, New Zealand is one of lately has been one of those teams that has always hurt us, especially in the ICC trophies, semi-finals, moments that really mattered. And lately, we just got beaten by them in a test match as well, not just one. They'd never won a test match, and they beat us 3-0 in that series. Yeah. So New Zealand is a team that hurts us, and especially that Mitchell Santner is, I think, the guy that holds the key in that sense. He's one bowler that all our great batsmen struggle against. So I would not take them lightly. And if there is a team that they are worrying about, I think this would be the game.
Yeah, and Nikhil, that stat there in the ICC events, out of the 7 games they played, India has only won 2 against New Zealand.
देखिए ये एक टीम ऐसी है who's gone into prior to this one, this particular tournament. In any tournament, they prefer going in as the underdogs. ये एक ऐसी टीम है जो completely process driven है. If you look at that team in the 11, they've got all the bases covered. Medium pace ले लें, spin ले लें, जिस तरीके से अब लेथम आके बीच में रन बना रहे हैं, तो spin को किस तरीके से गेम चलाना है, बड़ी खतरनाक टीम है जी. इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है. And that's why they're so consistent.
Yeah.
आप हर ICC trophy में देख लें, very consistent.
Let's take a look at the head-to-head record here between India and New Zealand. Waqar, take a look at this. This is how they have fared against each other. That's the ICC Champions Trophy still, and here it is, head-to-head, overall. Look at that. 118 matches played, 60 to India, 50 to New Zealand. Last 5 matches, 5 to India. This is ODIs, of course. None to New Zealand. In Champions Trophy, they have gone against each other once before, and that contest was won by New Zealand.
Yeah. Look, I think there is nothing between the two teams. I mean, अगर कहा जाए कि एक बहुत ऊपर है और एक बहुत नीचे है, I don't think that is the case. अगर इनकी जिस तरीके से ये टीम को फॉर्मेट करते हैं, इनका बैलेंस भी एक जैसा है. The left armer to the off spinner, they have got all bases. ऐसे निखिल ने कहा ना कि सारे bases covered हैं. I know there हो सकता है कि बड़े नाम विराट कोहली जैसे शायद उनके पास नहीं है, विलियमसन जरूर है, लेकिन उतने बड़े शायद नाम नहीं है. लेकिन they do the job. They're team like a machine.
Yeah.
They know exactly what they want to do and what they do, and they do it very clinically.
Yeah.
And I feel that this is going to be a very, very good contest, especially here in Dubai. The pitch is going to suit both teams. New Zealand in the recent past, in India, in Pakistan, on these sluggish pitches have played really, really well.
बराबर का टक्कर है वसीम आज का.
क्या अगर आप देखे जाए तो 2019 से लेके सिर्फ 6 आईसीसी टूर्नामेंट्स में न्यूजीलैंड 5 दफ़ा सेमीफाइनल में क्वालिफाई किया, सवाए एक के. सो ये अंडर द रेडार, जैसे निखिल ने कहा, अंडर द रेडार आते हैं और चुप करके दे क्वालिफाई फॉर द सेमीज. एंड वकार मैं राइटली सेड के दे डू द जॉब. एंड आई थिंक इनका फॉर्मूला पढ़ना पड़ेगा बाकी स्पेशली पाकिस्तान को, किस तरह से 4-5 मिलियन लोगों में ये स्पोर्ट्स में इस तरह के खिलाड़ी निकालते हैं. आप क्रिकेट ले लें, आप रग्बी ले लें, आप दूसरी स्पोर्ट्स ले लें जो हम नहीं देखते, आयरन मैन ले लें, स्विमिंग ले लें. These guys are really, really good. Obviously, proper structure है, but very talented team, very talented players, and they're on the, they've got very good spinners too.
Yeah.
And fielding side, वो आप कभी चाहे आप ले लें, चाहे से 20 साल पहले ले लें, they always has been exceptional fielding side.
Why are they always called the dark horse in the race? Why is that tag there?
I think वकार जस्ट सेड एक चीज़ को उसमें कोई एक सुपरस्टार नहीं है. अगर एक नाम स्ट्रेट अवे पिक करते हो, आपको वो ग्रेट मैन विलियमसन का नाम आता है, बट अब ग्लेन फिलिप्स इज कमिंग अप. एवरीबडी चिप्स इन, एवरीबडी परफॉर्म्स. वो किसी एक पे रिलाई नहीं करते. They play as a unit, they play as a team, they support each other, and of course they're physically very fit, and that obviously helps.
Kar, is this the most well-rounded team? As you said earlier, udhar ki bhi sluggish pitchon pe, idhar bhi, but it's like all the elements are there.
लोग अगर इनका ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड देखा ना तो उतनी ट्रॉफीज नहीं जीते ये लोग. आईसीसी ट्रॉफीज उतनी नहीं जीते. 2000 में इन्होंने ये चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी आईसीसी जो चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी जीती थी, 2021 में गालबन ये लोग टेस्ट चैंपियन हुए थे. तो आई थिंक दे हैव गॉट व्हाट इट टेक्स टू गेट सेमीफाइनल, फाइनल. लेकिन उस तरीके से जैसे अगर ऑस्ट्रेलिया हो या इंडिया है, जैसे उस तरीके से इन्होंने होता है ना कि कन्विंसिंगली कि ये टीम ऐसी है कि जो जीत ही जाएगी, वो वाली फीलिंग इनके साथ आती नहीं है, बट दे आर अ वेरी वेरी डेंजरस साइड.